Take this every morning on an empty stomach and watch what happens 7 days later. They call it Queen of Health. Currant juice is considered a miracle food, and science has proven that its components provide substantial health benefits. In addition to being very tasty, the benefits of currant juice make this plant an alternative remedy of great value. Currant juice is a seasoning with gratifying aroma and flavor. What happens to your body after taking a glass of currant juice? It produces an anticoagulant effect and improves blood circulation. We get more energy and we avoid the exhaustion, revitalizing our organism. It reduces and combats the proliferation of cancer cells in our body. Your body responds to insulin more effectively and regulates blood sugar levels. It promotes the correct digestion of food and relieves intestinal discomfort. It reduces the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors. We get a calming effect, especially for arthritis pain. It avoids the proliferation of bacteria in food. Cardiac diseases are prevented and colon function improves. How to use the currant juice? Every morning he takes a glass of homemade currant juice and lets it go for 2 hours. After a while, you can have breakfast. For example, a glass of oatmeal and a toast of whole wheat bread with olive oil. More benefits of currants. Gooseberries help improve intestinal transit thanks to its interesting fiber content. They are useful in the case of anemia, as they provide an adequate amount of iron, in addition to other minerals such as potassium or calcium. It is an antioxidant fruit, which helps prevent the formation of cancer. It favors the absorption of some nutrients like iron, and it increases the resistance to the infections, favoring a good immune system. Improves peripheral circulation, while red currant juice or juice provides antibiotic and antiseptic action, especially in cases of urinary tract infection. It is a fruit that, in addition to what is indicated, helps the system both nervous and muscular, thanks to its content in